Winnie Pate. I'm the chairman of Kids Kingdom School, and we had 2 days training program from 29th to 30th July till today. Actually, we wanted to have this training before the session began, but because of the little timing here and there, we had today 2 days training, and really we wanted to have this training because we want to improve the school. We want to improve the students, we will improve the teachers, so that teachers will impart the students effectively and systematically. Since our teachers, although they are having B.Ed, but still I thought that every year if you have this kind of training, we will improve more, and the teachers also will improve more, and students also will gain something. And through this training, we have learned a lot, and teachers also, I think they have noted so many things that which they have never learned before. And this training was especially capacity building and about the wellness of the students and health. Everything was done. So it was really good and very effective. I know that this resource person was really good, and his teaching was really very effective. We look forward to have more training, more such training in the future.
Training was really very resourceful, and I believe our school has been very equipped by resourceful training. And why training is very necessary is even though sometimes it is academic that people get the degrees, and some people they are not trained, we need to remind the training science in our mind that we have to get a proper systematic way of learning. That is why training is very important. That reminds us that there is a systematic way of learning, and there are many aspects of learning that cannot be.
We learn about the competency-based education and traditional education, and we differentiate between these two education systems.
So my name is Louis Tassar. I am the teacher of this Kids Kingdom English School. So I'm taking the SST subject from class 7 up to 9. So आज हम लोग के chairman ma'am and the principals are organized. इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम ऑर्गेनाइज किया है. So मैंने अपना BA हिस्ट्री ऑनर्स किया है. उसके बाद I did my master in history and also BA भी मैंने हिल्स कॉलेज से किया है. So उसके बाद मैंने हिल्स कॉलेज से सीखा जरूर BA में बहुत सारा, as well as आज यहाँ पे मैंने जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया एंड ट्रेनिंग जो प्रोग्राम रखा, इससे भी मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा. जैसे कि कैसे एज ए टीचर वी शुड combine the different types of methods to teach the learner, or we should not be a traditional teacher, मतलब traditional education we should not follow. So हम लोग को क्या है, competencies based education follow करना चाहिए, जहाँ पे एक्टिव होता है, so passive नहीं होना है, and punctual and flexibilities ये सब होना चाहिए. बोल के बहुत सारा सीखने को मिला है. और हम लोग को मतलब एज ए टीचर चॉइस अपनाना चाहिए, ना कि एक्सीडेंटली यहाँ घुसना है टीचिंग में, और ना ही हम लोग को फोर्स होके मतलब घुसना चाहिए. ये सब नहीं करना चाहिए. तो हम लोग का ये ड्यूटी बनता है कि स्टूडेंट को कैसे आगे बढ़ाना है, और कैसा हम लोग स्टूडेंट को सिखाना चाहिए, और किस तरह हम लोग को बिहेव करना चाहिए. ये सब एज ए टीचर वी शुड नो इट. सो दैट मच. थैंक यू सो मच.